If a couple of years ago somebody would come to me and tell me that breathwork is about to transform my entire life and help me change career, overcome anxiety, and actually become a better person and partner, I would tell them they're full of shit. Because honestly, breathwork, how amazing and how transformative it can be. It's just something we do on a day-to-day, right? But now, after years of practicing breathwork and meditation, and actually now after coming back from a 3 weeks course in Copenhagen to learn how to facilitate deep breathwork session, I know this for a fact. Most people are overlooking one of the most powerful tools humanity has to transform their life by just not knowing how to use our breath properly. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 levels of breathwork that genuinely transform my life, and I hope they will transform yours as well. But before we dive in, allow me to share a personal story with you about how did I get to breathwork in the first place. A couple of years ago, I was living in Dublin, Ireland, and I was working as an account manager in Google. On paper, life was great, right? I was working for a fancy corporate, I was making good money, I had some friends, I was going out every weekend. But then deep down, I was absolutely miserable. I was sad, I was lonely, I was unfulfilled with my professional and personal life. And I had this calling to go somewhere to do something different. So I went to visit in Copenhagen, Thailand. And somebody told me there that there was this thing called breathwork and rebirthing, and I was really curious to try. So I went to this place and I was doing the session. And then at the beginning, I remember they were saying that some people are crying and some people are screaming. And I told myself, why would anybody cry and scream just because they were breathing? But little did I know that that session is about to transform my life. And in this day, about 2 hours of breathwork session, I was crying and I was screaming like I've never done before. I remember leaving the session feeling like I saw something amazing that just a few people are able to see. No drugs, no fancy chemicals, all by the power of the breath. And needless to say that I was a typical man. I wasn't crying a lot. I wasn't sharing my feelings a lot. But that technique allowed me to express and bring out so many things that I had to deal with. And then a couple of years down the line, I went to do a facilitator course in Copenhagen. 3 weeks of intense training that generally transformed my life. And now, as part of my work as a communication coach, my goal, my wish is to bring the gift of communication, expression, and breath to the entire world. And in today's video, I'm really hoping to gift you this gift of knowledge of how you can equip breathwork to transform your life. So let's dive in. Level 1 of breathwork is awareness. This is a great place to start with. It can be 3 minutes of breathing in the morning, 5 minutes of meditation, or maybe 10 minutes of walk while being aware of your breath. This is not going to transform your life, but this is an amazing daily habit, just like brushing your teeth, to help you with focus, with clarity, with emotional regulation. So if you are looking for a good place to start with, there's a lot of resources out there on YouTube or different books about how you can do simple breathwork techniques on a daily basis. As I said, 3 to 5 minutes every single day to already seeing some good results. Level 2 of breathwork is pranayama and nervous system regulation. And this is where things are getting really interesting. Because the first level was about awareness, about exposure. But here we're talking about actual process that will change your nervous system state. So I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques that will help you to achieve that. And with pranayama, I think the main realization you need to have is that it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle to take you from one state to the other. For example, if you're stressed, you can use pranayama to be calm. If you are all over the place and you want to feel focused, pranayama can take you there. It's almost like a recipe. You're doing different steps to reach a specific goal. So first technique I'm going to teach you is 4-7-8. You inhale for 4 seconds through your nose, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale through the mouth to the count of 8. Let's do one round together. So inhale, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and exhale with a sigh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4-7-8 is an amazing technique if you want some relaxation. A good one for focus and clarity is box breathing. So you inhale through the nose to the count of 4, Hold your breath to the count of 4, exhale to the count of 4, and then hold your breath for another 4 seconds. So let's do one round together. We inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4. This is an amazing technique, by the way, for those of you that are doing ice bath, which I might talk about in a different video. But this is an amazing technique to regulate your nervous system while it feels maybe triggered, activated, or in a panic state. Third and last technique I want to show you today is what most people know as Wim Hof. Wim Hof was inventing this technique for ice bath and activation of the nervous system, but it can absolutely serve you to start practicing your nervous system regulation. So what you should do is to inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Do this for about 20 to 30 times until you feel the oxygen coming in. And then once you finish the round, I want you to hold your breath at the bottom. So you fully exhale and then hold your breath. You can start with 30 seconds, and then round number 2, you can go up to 45, and then maybe in round number 3, you can go up to 60 seconds. This is an amazing technique that will really help you to cope with different stress situations in your body. It's an amazing way to practice activation of your nervous system. Think about that. If you are in a job interview or presentation, you are naturally nervous. We want to train and practice how you can feel better, more comfortable in those situations. So using Pranayama, Wim Hof, for example, can really help you practice how to feel more comfortable when your nervous system is being activated. Level number 3 of breathwork is deep breathwork. And one specific technique I want to mention here is rebirthing. Rebirthing is a technique that was developed in the late 60s by Leonard Orr. And what he discovered is that through specific pattern of the breath, your body can basically bring up a lot of different suppressed emotions. This technique is called conscious connected breathing. You're basically breathing in and out through your mouth and eliminating the pause in between inhale and exhale. And what is happening through this process is that your brain is shifting its attention from the prefrontal cortex, which sometimes known as the human brain, to the amygdala, which is known as the chimp brain. We're tapping into our deepest emotions, memories, experience. And you might think, wow, this sounds really scary. And I know a lot of people are really intimidated to confront with their feelings and emotions. Because let's be honest, over the years, we are accustomed to sometimes just put our feelings aside. We're having a tough conversation, we're not fully sharing. We're feeling something and we're not fully expressing it. We're observing a certain event and we're not fully processing it. And all of those feelings, those emotions, they're just stuck in the body. Often we say in the breathwork space that emotions are energy in motion. And when those emotions are running through your body and they're not moving, they're just being stuck in your body, often leading to trauma. And the most effective way by far that I found to handle those feelings in a safe container is within breathwork sessions. I told you today that a couple of years ago, I was doing my first rebirthing in Koh Phangan, Thailand. And let me tell you something you might resonate with. I was miserable at that time. I was sad. I was lonely. I was unsatisfied with my life. I went through a big breakup and a war in Israel. I had a lot of unprocessed emotions, but I wasn't crying. I wasn't sharing. I wasn't processing any of it. And breathwork allowed me the space to see my emotions and confront them. I'm not saying it was an easy or a fun experience. Far from it. I was crying. I was screaming. But then afterwards, I felt the most relieved I've felt in years. And this led me on a journey to discover breathwork a lot more. And I can tell you now, after dozens of sessions of rebirthing or something called shamanic breathing, which is rebirthing in a slightly different version with breath holds, that this technique is one of the most overlooked ways to heal yourself. I'm not even kidding. This has proven scientific health benefits from metabolism to reducing heart rate, to so many other advantages. But especially on the emotional level, I finally received the ability to be in touch with my emotions, to feel sadness, to feel loneliness, but then also feel joy and feel happiness, and above all else, to feel love. So I'm inviting you, if you're in a place of sadness, of loneliness, of detachment from your feelings, breathwork and rebirthing specifically is one of the most amazing ways to tap back into your body in a safe environment, safe container. This is a recommendation. It's a suggestion. At the end of the day, you will decide what you want to do with your life. But I can tell you that for me, it changed everything. And if we're talking about communication, once I was mastering breathwork and I was allowing myself to wash off and process so many feelings and fears, when I was then going to job interviews, I was then going on presentation, big talks that are obviously very activating for your nervous system, my ability to deal and cope with those feelings, not push them away, but not let them overflow me, was so much better. So if you're into communication, if you're about being in touch with your feelings, I highly recommend you to check out these 3 levels of breathwork. It honestly might change your life.